We're going home, going home. Tell the world that we're going home. Guys, so it is the very next day after giving birth to this pretty little lady. Here she is. This is my baby girl, Rain, and yeah, we're about to go home. So we're just waiting for Sean to bring around the car. This is the cot that she stayed in. If you didn't watch the previous vlog, 24 hours in the hospital with us. This is the cot that she stayed in the hospital, and we brought it downstairs because we didn't bring the car seat up. So Sean is gonna bring around the car so we can transport her from here into the car seat and head home so she can officially meet her big sister and her big brother. Yeah, so if you're actually new to the channel, I am SK, and this is my baby girl Rain, baby number 3. I have a daughter named ShéKayla who's 13, a baby boy named River, he's 19 months old, and now I have baby Rain who is 1 day old. She's 1 day old, and so she's gonna get to go home to meet her other siblings. We're leaving the hospital. So exciting. What a journey. If you would like to know more about our journey, please go and watch the other vlogs, because it was a stressful journey. It was a high-risk pregnancy, and now it's over. She's healthy, I'm healthy, and yeah, so let's go home so Rain can meet her siblings. What a different setting. I got my Rivy, and I got Kayla here, and I got my Rainy. Yeah, I can't even see her. Look how she's tiny. Kayla, you ready to meet Rain? Rivy, you ready to meet Rain? Rain, you're so tiny. Look at this tiny little person in this seat, huh? Let's take you out, girly. Come and meet your siblings. Even though River tried to take your pacifier. Aww. Oops. Kayla, she's tiny, right? Yeah. Look, Rivy. So Kayla, this is Rain. River, this is Rain. Oh, say hi, Rain.
No.
Cute. Say hi. You tell him no. What you would have done? Give her kisses. Mwah. Mwah. What's your face, huh? Give Rain hugs. Give a big hug. No. Give a big. Give a big hug. Hold your hand around her. Hold your hand around Kayla. Good. You give a big hug. Give a big hug. Look at my 3 babies, and why Rain face looks so Rain look angry. Hey, I see you. I see you looking. This is Rain. Rivy. Oh my gosh. What's all this style? Yeah? We were always...
Hey.
This style. Yeah? Oh no, she's gonna cry, Rivy. Were you being shy? This is Rain. This is your baby sister. Hmm? Let me stop pushing before River give her one box of her face. Rainy, you look upset. So Kayla, now you have 2. Move your hair out the way. Hold your hand, Kayla. Hey.
River, leave.
River, you leaving? You're not being replaced, you know. Let him go if you want to leave. Let him go. You're not being replaced, don't worry. Hold her good, Kayla. You got her?
Oh my gosh.
How you holding her? Hold her good. Don't be awkward. Hold her good. You don't remember how to hold her, baby? Seriously? Is she really small, Kayla? Rivy.
He wants to go. Oh,
What happened? What you want?
he wants to go back.
Oh, but you want to come back by you?
I don't know.
You want to go back by Kayla?
Come on.
Just she's sleeping. Oh, Kayla's staring at her. Kayla, who she look like?
River.
She don't look like me? You don't think she look like me? She had my nose though, right?
What's that other
How the arm in there? Look at arm here.
Her other one.
How the arm is right here. When you're home and your eyes still closed, you're still sleeping. ShéKayla, this is the sister you've been asking me for like 10 years now. You have her 10 years later. Huh? Anyways, guys, it is now 10 p.m. So yes, this is the time we're getting home. 10 p.m. Look at me with my first love and my last love. Look at that. My two baby girls. Kayla, you're no longer the baby girl. Rain is the baby girl. Why you look like you're gonna go cry?
I'm not gonna cry.
Why you look like you're gonna go cry? You sure?
I'm not gonna cry.
Yeah. Oh gosh. And then I have my two men over there. Hey, Rivy.
Say hi.
Say hi. Say hello. Yeah, say hi. Rivy was fast asleep, y'all. He just wake up. So if he looked like he was sleeping. So tomorrow we'll have a better day. Hopefully when we settle in tomorrow in the daytime and she's out here, it will become real to him. This ain't real to him. I don't think he realized that she's here to stay and she's a real person. I don't know. You thinking that she like real?
I don't know. It's like,
It's like, what? I don't know what that was. So yeah, I'm gonna go settle in, guys, and yeah, enjoy our little moment. So I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. All right.